So before I start this video, I just want to say a big thank you to Ellie360. He sponsored me with engine oil for my rebuild, and I just want to say a big thank you. So if you need engine oil, liquid moly, or any other lubricants for your car, hit Ellie up. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is car park. So I'm on my way to plus 233 now, as communicated. Sorry to a lot of you who didn't hear about car park because it was a bit last minute actually. So yeah, enjoy the video, stay tuned. So I made it here quite early because I'm part of the organizers. You come, then you pose, just like that. Comment down below if you came for car park in what year? 2019. Comment down below if you came for car park 2019. I feel like that was one of the best car parks because of the drive. Some of the boys have pulled up. And it has the N52. Mad. So you know why I consider this to be a good day? Got some parts for my car, but the wastegate is in. So guys, we are good to go. 23, watching football as well. Americans will call it soccer, but football, yeah. They just made some expansions over here, looking really sick. C63 coupe has pulled up. Hi. I want you guys to read this M8. He had some really nice wheels on early on. I don't know why he changed them. Ooh, you can hear the turbo spooling down. Still more people to come. Yeah. Yeah. Very cute, but very, very cute and dangerous. Right. We got the G90 over here. You got the RS3. This is a new RS3. And then, yeah, a bunch of people here. Look at Jason. you're going on YouTube. Yeah. So I'm driving school. Charlie, and look at old school J. With the whole AC snatcher kit. If you guys don't know, Jason Man like Jason.
You make big one.
Oh, Charlie, stop that. Everything cool. Car is still alive and kicking.
Yeah, imagine.
Charlie.
What's up, my brother? I come for you. Thank you so much. I see you, Joe. Yeah,
bro. Bro.
That is my chairman.
These people drove from Europe all the way to Ghana. And then you have Spikey in the XXM. That's a very clean example of a C43. Alabama in his E36. Man, I got from Charlie, what's up? Are you from Akosombo? Straight. And thanks for pulling up. A whole photo shoot ongoing here. G90 is out.
On the spot, eh?
Yeah, so what do you have to say about the show?
Well, I think it's a great thing. I mean, basically with the M5s and all the other cars here, I'm very sure it's something that, you know, should be encouraged. It's nice. I mean, getting all of those pepped up cars here.
Yeah.
And the young guys coming around here. It's quite interesting to see how people can really restore cars and put them on road. So keep it up.
Thank you.
And I hope the next time it's going to be a bigger one. We're going to come with our Audis, the Quattros, and all the Porsches and all of those things. It's very relieving, and let's make sure that everybody is in order and everything's fine. So have a nice evening, Timothy.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Yeah, so Auto Amulete, I sell diecast models, I sell RCs, I sell key builders.
Let's go there and have a look at it.
Still air freshness, you know, cool stuff like that.
Who scored? Arsenal?
United.
No!
Yes! So, Fast and Furious, you know, the hero cars and stuff. So basically, this is Auto Amulete. All what you want, provided the size, the quality. We even get you Dodge Ram, the big one. Exactly. To make a noise as noisy as that.
Ah, solid.
So, I mean, this is for you, Timsintim.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'll do all to put it on easy. And yeah.
And then here's my contact card.
Okay, so guys, contact him for anything. Very cool one. We have the famous GR Hilux parked up in the dark. BMW president's right here, solo. Charlie, thanks for coming through. Alright. This one is so large. Let me move back, man. So I just made it to ANC. Dave is out.
Make you wait more, make you wait more.
It's nice the way on the M's you can hear their turbos spooling down when they're decelerating. But this is stock, bro. This is stock. This is stock. Just having fun.